Okay, one of my friend forwarded this video from me on TikTok. He said, "My brother, what could cause something like this?" So first thing first, this kind of video used to discourage a lot of people from installing solar. But the reason why something like this occurs in a solar setup is number one is poor ventilation. When your inverter is not receiving enough ventilation, you understand? Inverter, they like human too. You understand? It requires air for it to work very well. It requires air for it to work. You understand? Imagine say you dey stuffy place, how your body go dey react. You understand? And another thing that can cause this is lack of protection. Lack of protection. They have protective devices, things that protect your inverter system. You understand? Protective devices like your voltage regulator and all. And and number three reason why something like this might occur is improper sizing of wire. For example, now a high voltage inverter system is or you have like 10,000 watt solar panel up there in the roof, and instead of using a 16 mm cable, you are using a 4 mm cable for it. You understand? When the overheating, when sun is coming out and the wire, the voltage passing through the wire, and the wire cannot bear it again because it's not the actual voltage is meant to carry, the wire will start to melt. To start to melt. From there, it might cause a little spark. From spark, you know how fire they do. You understand? All these videos are things that discourage a lot of people from installing solar. You understand? Another thing, okay, you see this my friend now. I told him, I can say it here. Saw the comments. Solar usage and connection needs to be highly studied. Yes, I said at least you are gaining more free knowledge. That's why before you install solar like this, you take your time. Is your money. Take your time. 1 week or 2 weeks. Just pick out few days and go to our YouTube channel. Just pick out few days and go to our YouTube channel. I'm teaching a lot of things there. You understand? You go to our YouTube channel. The link is on my bio. You go to my YouTube channel. You will see a lot of videos that I've posted. I keep educating our customers and educating new people too that want to do so. It's not about the money first. Gain the knowledge first. Then we're going to talk about money. You understand? Gain the knowledge. You understand? I understand what I'm selling. That's why I'm giving you that knowledge for you to know. So go to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of videos. Just click on subscribe. Just click and PM, you subscribe.